Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are talking about how to fix the failed to fetch data error on the World app. One of the most common issues users face when using the app, so let's jump right in. So if you see the failed to fetch data message, the simplest fix is to completely close and reopen the World app. Restarting it usually refreshes the connection and resolves the issue right away. But if the problem persists, the next thing to try is to clearing the app's cache. To do this, go to your phone settings. You want to open apps, then locate World app. From here, you want to choose storage and then go ahead and tap clear all data. And this deletes any outdated or corrupted temporary files that could be causing the error, forcing the app to pull new data from the server. But if you're still having trouble, you want to go and check for updates in the Play Store or App Store. Just go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, then look for World App. Keeping the app up to date can fix known bugs, improve connectivity, and boost performance. But if none of these solutions work, the issue might be on Worldcoin's end, meaning their servers could be temporarily down. And in that case, all you can do is wait it out. Try again in an hour or check back later in the day. Keep in mind the app is updated frequently, and those updates can occasionally cause short term glitches, but they usually get resolved quickly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.